Hi, this is Tim and Julie Seibold from the Seibold Group at Coldwell Banker Regan. Time for another Seibold shout out. Today we're at Active Life Physical Therapy. These guys have done miracles for both of us with backs and knees and shoulders and elbows.
But they've also helped my parents. My mom, before she moved here, had horrible back pain and couldn't do anything. And I got her into physical therapy when she's here, off of her pain meds, has way more good days than bad. And so these guys have done awesome work. And we know real estate, but these guys know physical therapy and know how to help you and make you feel like you are their only patient that they're working with.
More than physical therapists, they'll become your friends. They're like family, husband and wife team. Let's go inside and meet Troy and Jaden. So we're inside Active Life Physical Therapy with the owners, Troy and Jaden Smith. It's good to be here, and it's great to see that you've opened your own place. Where and why?
So we're located on 119th Street between Black Bob and Flum in Olathe. We really just wanted to start doing our own thing and practice the way we wanted to practice. So
we've been out for a while in the physical therapy world, and we just wanted to create something for ourselves and be able to provide to the community without any barriers and doing it together.
These guys, folks, I've got stress fractures in my vertebrae that she fixed. I had elbow issues. I've had shoulder issues. Jaden and Troy can handle everything. They helped Julie's parents who were elderly. Her mother couldn't hardly walk, and these guys took care of them. What's your age range, or what's your wheelhouse?
Yeah, we've seen everything. I've had a month-year-old in here with acute torticollis, and that's beneficial because a lot of it's education, and the wait list is super long at like Children's Mercy, so I like to get them in first and then transfer them once they can get in there. And then we've seen 100, 101.
Yeah, wide range. We really love working with athletes too. I'm a strength and conditioning specialist, and really love developing strength programs as well. So if you have youth athletes, I really want to work out with them too.
Anyone from the weekend warrior, someone, even if you never exercised a day in your life, but you're curious and you want the advice of a doctor of physical therapy to help guide you through that, we just want to work with anyone that wants to be more active or prioritize their health. We want to be able to help be that part of your journey with you.
Yeah, and if you're sitting on the couch because you've had pain for a while, don't hesitate. You know, these guys can correct about anything.
I try to remind people, like, pain is not a normal part of aging. And stuff that's just been, my foot's just been bothering me for a while, or my back's just kind of been there and I'm starting to live with it, you don't have to. It can be a pretty easy fix for us, and just some things we're going to implement into your daily routine even, and your quality of life can be so much better.
Don't necessarily need a doctor's permission slip.
Not at all. In the state of Kansas, we have direct access, and that's part of why we have our doctorates, to know who's appropriate and who will benefit from physical therapy. So the only people that actually need a doctor's script are Medicare patients.
So if you're on Medicare and you're hurting, get your doctor to write a script for it and come see these guys. They'll take care of that pain that you've been harboring for years and years and years.
Yeah, we're happy to help with that too. We can always contact your doctor for you. So,
some of the other services, my elbow, dry needling.
Yeah.
Both of you, or
we're both certified.
Dry needling, folks, is kind of like acupuncture.
Yeah, so do you want to explain it?
Yeah, so dry needling, we use an acupuncture style needle, but it's deeper, it goes into the muscle, and it really helps relax that muscle. It relieves pain. It can be a little uncomfortable at first, but I mean, we see great results.
It's the
variety of conditions.
Best thing these guys ever did to me in my elbow. I couldn't lift a 5-gallon bucket without crying, and these guys made it all go away. It wasn't magic. It's definitely
it does seem that way.
Some other things we do too, blood flow restriction. We utilize that here in the clinic as well.
Yeah, that's really helpful. Like after surgery, when you can't do as much of the weights, you get response like you were. So it's really cool technology.
And anything that you guys don't like to handle?
I've done some external work with pelvic floor, but we usually refer out for pelvic floor, and then pediatric like neuro cases, we have some great referral sources that we do for that.
Yeah.
So you can get them help that they need if you can't handle it.
Sure.
Yeah, and that's kind of like something that sets us apart different too, and that like we truly invest and care in anyone that calls us or anyone that is referred to us. We're going to help you find the spot that you need to be in. If that's not us, I'm going to refer you to someone that I know will work with you and do great care.
You guys, I can't stress enough how much these guys have helped me. We live on a farm now, and so it's work, and we love it, and I hate being down. So I'd come in and see Jaden. Just don't ever make a mistake of telling her she's not working you hard enough, because she will
take it personally.
she will find a way to make your hair stick straight up from sweating so much. If somebody needed to see you today, tomorrow, is that possible?
Yeah, that's something that we've talked about and we take very seriously. If you need to be in, we can guarantee that you'll be seen that day or if the latest the next morning. This is basically our second child, and this is super important to us, and we understand the importance that someone needs to get in, so we can make that happen.
Yeah, it's sciatica, stuff like that.
Yeah.
That you're just in miserable pain. Call these guys and get over here and get started.
Don't wait to go to the doctor and wait weeks and weeks and weeks. This is stuff, especially when it comes on fast, it can go away fast, and we can just put you in the right direction. And again, you don't need to go to your doctor to come see us. We will communicate and we will provide the notes for your doctor as well. But get in here, see us, let's get this done quick.
Yeah, absolutely. So tell people how to find you, where to find you.
Yeah, so we're located at 14138 West 119th Street, again between Black Bob and Flum.
In the same strip mall as Me Ranchito and Ginger Sue's, so facing 119th essentially. You can see them out here on the highway.
Yeah, and you can find our website www.alptkc.com. That's another good way to reach out as well.
How about phone?
913-232-8864.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I know. I had to think a little bit, but I'm pretty sure.
You guys, we can't thank these guys enough for what they've done, what they mean to us. Not only are they fantastic doctors, but they've become good friends. You need to come see them. They do things the right way, and they'll treat you right. Call me and I'll get you in about an hour.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you guys, Troy and Jaden.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Come see these folks. Have a great day.